Southern Hancock County, Rush County, Decatur County, Southeastern Johnson County, Northeastern Bartholomew County, Southern Henry County, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm located along a line extending from near Greenfield to near Shelbyville to near Franklin, northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Franklin, Greenfield, Greensburg, Rushville, Adams, Knighttown, New Palestine, Flat Rock, Milford, Geneva, Morristown, Trafalgar, St. Paul, Carthage, Spiceland, Louisville, Fairland, Milroy, and Glenwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 81 and 93. Interstate 70 between mile markers 95 and 115. Interstate 74 between mile markers 102 and 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Hancock, Henry, Johnson, Rush, and Shelby. And now we'll look at your forecast for Indianapolis and